హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. నా ప్రీవియస్ వీడియో చూసిన వారికి మరియు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసిన వారికి నా హార్ట్ఫుల్ థ్యాంక్స్. నేను చేస్తున్న వీడియోస్ మీ అందరికీ ముఖ్యంగా స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఉపయోగపడాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. నేను ఈ వీడియోలో మీకు చెప్పబోయే టాపిక్ ఫండమెంటల్స్ ఆఫ్ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ. ఫస్ట్ we discussing about introduction of trigonometry. What is the trigonometry? What is the use of trigonometry? In trigonometry, we discussing all about triangles. Trigonometry helps us find angles and distances. Specifically, trigonometry is about right angle triangles, where one of the internal angle is 90 degrees. Take one triangle. This is an right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. The right angle is indicated by the little box in this corner. The other angle is indicated by theta. The side opposite the right angle, which is the longest side, is called the hypotenuse. The side opposite theta is called the opposite. And this is adjacent to the angle theta. In trigonometry, the main functions are sine, cosine and tangent. Sine, cosine and tangent. Each of which is one side of a right angle triangle divided by another. It is nothing but sine, cos and tan. For any theta, for any angle theta, sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. And cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. SOH function CAH TOA SOH CAH and TOA. Sine function in opposite over hypotenuse, cos function in adjacent over hypotenuse, tan function opposite over adjacent. Another three functions in trigonometry. Cosecant theta, secant theta and cotangent theta. First, cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Cotangent theta equal to 1 by tan theta, which is cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. It is nothing but cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. Give some values. For example, we give some values in right angle triangle. Theta 3, 4 and 5. This is opposite side. This is adjacent side. And this is hypotenuse. From the figure, sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite, and this 4 and hypotenuse is 5. 4 by 5. Sin theta equal to 4 by 5 and cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent length is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. So cos theta equal to 3 by 5 and tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite length is 4 and adjacent length is 3. 4 by 3. Cosecant theta equal to which is the reciprocal function of sin theta, 1 by sin theta. What is the value of sin theta? 4 by 5. 1 by 4 by 5. So 5 by 4. Secant theta equal to reciprocal function of cos theta, 1 by 3 by 5. Cos theta 3 by 5. 5 by 3. And cot theta 1 by tan theta is equal to 1 by 4 by 3. Three by 4. These are the basic trigonometric functions. మీ అందరికీ అర్థమైందని అనుకుంటున్నాను. అలాగే ఈ వీడియో మీకు ఉపయోగపడుతుందని ఆశిస్తున్నాను. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ దిస్ వీడియో. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ మీద క్లిక్ చేయండి.